Hello, families with a child in grade 1, 2, or 3. I want to introduce you to a fabulous Canadian music resource. This is called Music Play, and the site is called Music Play Online. And this is run out of Red Deer, Alberta. And during our this big global shutdown, they've given anyone access to it. Normally speaking, there's a subscription fee that needs to be paid, but none of us need to pay that right now. So let's make the best use of it that we can. Take a look here. If you're a student in grade 1, I want you to click on the grade 1 tab, grade 2, or grade 3, depending on which grade you're on. I want you to click on one of those tabs. And then we have your song list right over here. And if we click on, let's say, Little Red Wagon, for example, and scroll down here, and under movies, it has a movie of your Little Red Wagon. Now, if the word notation is highlighted, you will get the notes on your screen like this. But what you might decide to do is click on lyrics, and then you'll be able to read along and sing along to this. Okay, so for this week, just spend about 10 minutes listening and singing along to some of the songs. Okay, do about the first 4 songs if you're in grade 1. First 4 songs if you're in grade 2, and if you're in grade 3, do the first 3 songs. Okay, take care, have a great week, try and be helpful. Bye.